Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are going to learn what is fine tuning. This is part 15 of the series. Make sure that you have watched all the previous episodes in order to learn AI concepts with me in simple way. Alright, so what exactly is fine tuning? Fine tuning means retraining the AI model on specific data to make it better at a particular task. It means you're trying to make a specialization out of that particular model for certain task. Think of it like a codex or cloud code where the huge amount of data is specifically trained on coding aspects. That way, that model becomes really solid and good in producing the output for coding or code snippets or auto completion. Same way, you can train certain data for medical records or x-rays or even for that matter cancer treatment and much more. That means you are fine tuning a particular AI model on a specific category of data to make it better at a particular task. Now, you already think of it like our digital intern example that I'm giving you in this series. You already have a smart intern. Now you train them only on certain things like your company documents, your coding style, your brand voice, etc. So the intern or the AI model picks up only that particular data, gets trained on them heavily. Over time, they become domain expert. They are more accurate in that particular niche. That means fine tuning means giving your intern a specialization. Think of it like this, that everybody gets a bachelor's in engineering or a bachelor of engineering. You take them to masters, you take them to PhD, where they master in a certain niche area. That's what is called fine tuning. Now, from a developer point of view, think of it this way. A base model would give you general knowledge. It will give you broad answers and not specific. But when you fine tune a model, say industry specific or custom tone or task optimized, these are especially helpful for healthcare or say medical or coding. These are the certain areas where it knows exactly what to do. It changes how the brain behaves, and that, my friends, is permanent. So in simple mental model, the way you should think is that RAG would giving notes temporarily. Fine tuning means you're changing the intern permanently for that particular niche. So with fine tuning, you can turn a general intern into a specialist in a certain domain, in a certain area, in a certain industry focused area. Those are the need in terms of AI models that are evolving today. They are important because you will shape the particular industry overall. Right from thinking from coding to healthcare and much more, you can fine tune the data and get specific AI model trained on certain areas. I hope the concept of fine tuning is clear to you. Follow me for more simplified AI explanations. Please do like, share and subscribe to my videos. Follow me for this entire series of AI Masterclass series to learn AI in more simple ways. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.